video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a bank account to your Cash App. So first things first, you need to open up and log in to your Cash App. And then once you're here, tap on your profile image in the upper right-hand corner to bring up all of the different options. Once you're here, you're going to scroll down under Account and Settings and go to the option that says Linked Banks. Tap on that there. If you haven't linked anything yet, you're going to be required to add your debit card first. So that's the first part of this process. So tap the button here that says Link New Debit Card. Now go ahead and fill out the information for your debit card. And unfortunately, if you don't have a debit card, you're not going to be able to link or add a bank account. Once you've linked your debit card, what you then want to do is come back to your account here, tapping on your profile image, and then you should see an option here that says Linked Banks once more. You tap on that. You should see the added debit card here under listed payment options. There'll be a new button that says Link Bank Account or Add Bank Account. Tap on that. It'll open up a service called Plaid, and that is the service that they use to get in touch with your bank. You'll then select your bank location and name, and then fill out the form and follow all of the prompts to then add that bank account number. Once you've done that, close out of the app, reopen it, and you're now good to go and have a linked bank account. I'll put some frequently asked questions in the pinned comment down below. If you haven't signed up for Cash App yet and you want a free $5, use my link in the description and pinned comment, and we'll talk to you guys in the next video.